We just got done watching The Beekeeper. This movie is from 2024. It is 1 hour and 45 minutes long. It's a retired military operative who now serves as a beekeeper in a secret organization that protects the world like bees in a hive, is forced into a campaign of revenge when his neighbors' finances are wiped out after a phishing scam. This is a action suspense movie. There's violence, there's language. It's pretty much all that I really noticed was violence and there's some language.
It is rated R.
It is rated R, yeah. I just didn't like the story. I felt like it's been overdone. All the fighting scenes, every single thing that I saw, I've seen in other films, even by this very specific actor. It was disappointing. It really was. It was a letdown. I felt like
the writers definitely.
Yeah, the story was half-assed. And I even feel like the actors, like, it just didn't seem like the actors were in it either. Like,
usually the guy that's the main actor, I forgot his name, but I usually like his movies. But they've been going downhill, this one.
Yeah, I'll see if I can find a link to The Beekeeper. I'll put it below. If you've seen The Beekeeper, let me know what you thought of it. I'm going to have to give this a 2 out of 5 stars. I mean, that's how bad I thought it was.
Yeah, I agree with the 2. Yeah.
It wasn't worth watching, honestly. And if you're a fan of this actor, I would say this may be one you may want to skip. Otherwise, it may affect how you feel about this actor.
We watched one of his older ones.
Yeah, because this is just... I wasn't impressed with it. It was very predictable. It was slow. It was long. It was not great. Not great at all. But I'll put the link in case you're interested in checking out. Maybe I'm way off with this, and maybe this is someone's favorite movie, but not mine. Thanks for watching this review, and we'll see you in the next one.